The Mississippi State Department of Health released coronavirus case numbers by schools this week, allowing us to see the number of cases in a particular school. WTVA's Rhea Thornton is in Starkville with some reaction from that release.
Here in Starkville, 4 schools in the district reported double-digit numbers of students who were quarantined because of exposure last week, one having 56 students stay at home. But despite all of that, a nurse that works in the school district said it's safe for students to enter their buildings.
I feel like all the schools in our district are doing everything they can to keep everyone safe and healthy.
Holly Jones is a nurse at Partnership Middle School, where 11 students found themselves in quarantine last week. Nearly every school in the Starkville-Oktibbeha district saw at least one case among students. Jones said along with wearing masks and regular temperature checks, the district is doing everything it can to keep its numbers down.
We have a grab-and-go breakfast, so they come through and get their breakfast and take it to the classroom. But it's in the hall, so they're not all in the cafeteria in the morning. And we also keep them in one classroom, so instead of the students changing classes, the teachers are moving around.
When students find themselves not feeling well, Nurse Jones said she keeps them in a separate room away from other students.
I have what we call an isolation room, where if a student comes in and they're showing signs and symptoms of COVID, they go immediately in there and they stay in there away from everybody else until we can figure out what steps to take next.
In addition to students, 6 out of 8 Starkville-Oktibbeha County schools recorded having 1 or more teachers or staff members under quarantine. Jones said once a teacher tests positive, they immediately contact Trace to identify students and staff members at risk.
I have seating charts from all the teachers, so I can go and refer to that. And, they're able to tell me, well, this is who I feel like I was around that should be a close contact.
Now, Nurse Jones said that Partnership has only seen a few cases in the school so far, and she believes the numbers are so low because of how seriously Starkville is taking their mandated guidelines. Without it, she feels that the school would have been completely virtual by now. Reporting live in Starkville, Rhea Thornton, WTVA 9 News.